Hey, hi! This is your Sanjukta Ake and welcome to my channel. As you guys have read by the title, you know that Instagram is going to control my day. Yeah. So 2 days back, I posted some Instagram posts, and you, my followers, have decided what I'll do in the whole day. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go right now, check it, and it is in the description below. So yeah, let's begin with the Instagram controls my day. Yay! So it's 9:30 in the morning, and my followers have decided that I would be having pancakes for breakfast. Oh my god, yes! Finally, pancakes. I have never tried pancakes. I have never made any pancakes. So let's move towards the kitchen. Fat. So I have already made the batter for pancakes and also the maple syrup. I shall show you in a bit. Guys, here is the batter for the pancakes. And here is our maple syrup. So I have put the pan on the gas, and now I'll just take this much amount and I'll go like this. This is not bad. It's nice for a first. Good. Ah, what an amazing breakfast. So the second poll that I post was this. Yeah, it says that should I try smoky eye makeup or nude makeup? And 66% people have said that do the smoky eye makeup. So I have no clue how to do that. I have never actually tried, right? But now I'm gonna put some videos, take little bit of tips, and I shall do it. Hi guys, sorry for the bad lighting. Can you see this? I have applied this sellotape क्योंकि ऐसे दिखाया था. And now I'm gonna start.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, I literally look so horrible that I don't want to show my face. Oh my god, you wanna see? Oh my god, what is this? I look like a joker. Oh, I don't know man, मेरे को नहीं आता है. This smoky boy makeup is, it feels I'm ready for Halloween. Oh god, look at my eyes. मेरे को I look so horrible, oh my god. Okay, I know I look horrible, but still I'm gonna give it a try and click some pictures and see how I look in that. So this is what I'm wearing. This is kind of odni which I'm draping like a top, and नीचे तो वैसे ही normal pant है. So yeah, that's, I'm gonna do little bit of Indo-Western shoot. So yep. Hi guys. Now it looks good because I have changed my, what I say, the way I am looking, and this is my setup. And yeah, so I'll be dropping pictures here somewhere, and you can check it out. Yeah, now I'm liking this makeup. So it's almost 3 बज गए हैं, and I am not going to make anything new. I am actually going to eat what mom made because she has made fish machhi. So yeah, and I will make something snacks like बहुत basics up just to keep up सबका मान and try something new, but it will take 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm quickly going to change, and yeah, it's a long day. So it's 4 p.m. and I'm having my lunch at 4 p.m. इतना लेट मैंने lunch कभी नहीं किया. Everything is messed up right now. I'll quickly show the lunch to you. So this is my lunch. Actually, it should be try something new. So I made this bhaji now. This is tomato wala. It's not something new, just salad, and this is machi and chapati and vagare.
1 hour later.
So it's something 5:30 or something, and now it's a prank time. I'm gonna prank call a stranger. So what I have did was I just went on Instagram, and I know there are influencers, so I just randomly searched this hashtag, and then I found this one account who has contact number there. So I'm gonna call her and pretend that I am her very old friend and she don't recognize me, and I'm just gonna blabber little bit. So yeah, I'm just hoping it goes really well. So I'm gonna call her now. Hello Shweta, hi, how are you?
Hi, Mister.
Hi, dude, you just don't recognize me. How is this even possible, dude? Dude, यार तू मुझे भूल गई, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
कौन बोल रहा है यार?
अरे dude, I am your school friend. Just guess कर यार, चल come on, बता कौन बात कर रहा रहेगा?
यार मेरे को सीरियसली नहीं पता लग रहा कौन बोल रहा है.
हाय, अरे दिस इज सुनीता यार, हाउ आर यू ब्रो? लॉन्ग टाइम अपन ने बात नहीं किया, तू तो बहुत मचा रही है इंस्टाग्राम पे. आई जस्ट सॉ, ओ माय गॉड. कैसी है यार? स्कूल के बाद तो बात ही नहीं हुई है अपनी तो. हेलो, कुछ तो बोल यार.
सुनीता तो मेरे स्कूल में ही नहीं थी कोई.
अरे ऐसे कैसे बात, तू मेरे को भूल गई है? अरे अपन हमेशा एक साथ रहते थे, तो भूल कैसे गई मेरे को? अच्छा चल बता, तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड कैसा है? हाँ अरे बता चल, तभी तो था, तू तो बोल रही थी उससे शादी करूंगी वगैरह.
क्या?
हाँ तू ही बोली थी.
क्या बोली थी?
अगी वो बचपन में कि तू उससे शादी करेगी.
यार कौन बोल रहा है? नंबर किसने दिया है?
अरे नंबर का क्या बात कर रही है? मैं तेरी दोस्त हूँ, नंबर मतलब तूने ही दिया है. मैं व्हाट्सएप पे भी हूँ तेरे.
भाई रॉन्ग नंबर है, कोई और
नहीं श्वेता, तेरा ही नंबर है, मेरे को मालूम है. तो अभी बड़ी हो गई है, इंस्टाग्राम पे बड़ी फैन हो गई है, तो अभी ऐसे बिहेव करेगी, स्कूल फ्रेंड्स को भूल जाएगी.
कौन से स्कूल में बताना जरा.
अरे कौन से स्कूल में भाई? वाह, अभी स्कूल मुझे ही पूछ तू. मतलब अभी अभी स्कूल की फ्रेंडशिप भी छोड़ दी तूने?
क्या नाम है आपका? नाम क्या है?
सुनीता.
आगे?
आगे मतलब सुनीता पाल. अरे दिल्ली के स्कूल में थे हम लोग एक साथ, नहीं मालूम? देखो भूल गई.
अच्छा दिल्ली के स्कूल में थे.
हाँ. हेलो. She hung up. Oh my god. Dude.
कोणाला कॉल करते तू?
Sorry guys, I'm just facing some headache from afternoon, so got little bit of was looking after my head. So now we are gonna do the cleaning part. And I'm really tired because I've been working also in between the shoots and everything. So yeah, let's go. I don't want to. So this is my kapade ki halat. It's little bit cool. This area is not, and I have to set everything now. And then this is going to be so hard for me, legit. But yeah, I have to do this. Come on Sanchita. So I'll be wow, fog aa gaya chashme pe. Okay, so I'll be answering the 5 things I love about myself while cleaning. So yo, let's go. मुझे ये सब साफ करना है. वाओ. Okay. Oh my god. I love about myself is that I started doing exercise for the right things. I started doing exercise for myself, not by somebody telling me that you should lose weight or you should gain weight and whatever. I wanted to do exercise from I always thought I hated exercise, but happy that now I love exercise. Third thing is like I made cookies, biscuits at home. I, being a person, I never knew how to make cookies or biscuits, and I just don't know. The fourth thing that I love about myself is the way I have accepted myself. The way I know sometimes being at some things I really feel that yaar ye kash mein ye hoti, but then I learned what I have learned is like not always you will be happy. Sometimes you will have days when you just feel just giving up, but then also you just. And the fifth thing that I learned was not comparing myself to others. That was the major thing I love about myself. And it's done. Finally. यहाँ का mess हो गया है clean. Yay! And it has also been set. So yep. Finally done. Good job. Okay, guys, I am finally at the last segment of Instagram controls my day. That is, you guys know, it's I would be dancing on a song and the music will be decided by my parents as it's going to be voting. So my parents and my sister have really weird and alag taste, like they will choose anything different only. So I'm going to give both of three of them three options of music and they have to take one. So yep, I am not going to see the results now, as you will be seeing what my mom and dad choose for me. Yes, let's make the 3 chips for
1 hour later.
Okay, ignore my hair, it was a chumpy day. So here we have the voting and I don't know what my parents have and my sister have chose. So let's go. So the 3 options that I gave was, first is Dipadi Dipang, Chipati Dipang. It's a Marathi song by Makarand Anaspore. Second was Mojai Moja, Punjabi theme from Jappi Mate. And the third was Nikahe Milane Ko Ji Chahta Hai. See, now we open the first chit. Okay, and the vote goes to Nigahe Milane Ko Ji Chahta Hai. Okay, one vote for Nigahe Milane Ko Ji Chahta Hai. Let's see the second one. Okay, the second one is also Nigahe Milane Ko Ji Chahta Hai. Still we are gonna see the third one just to see what is the. Okay, so it says Dipang Chipadi Dipang. So now the song you know is like Nigahe Milane Ko Ji Chahta Hai. So I'll count 3 to 1 and the music video will start. So 3, 2, 1. राज की बात है महफिल में कहे या न कहे, बस गया है कोई इस दिल में, कहे या न कहे, कहे या न कहे, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, ओ निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है।
किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाए, किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाए, लज्जत वो पाए, किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाए, कि फिर रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, कि फिर रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, मेरा रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता है।
So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this performance of me, and the whole Instagram controls my day video. So do tell me about this in the comment section. Do like, share, subscribe please. I would love your support, and your support will always be appreciated. Bye. You see them? Hi.